We have a Catholic Church over there, and this is located in Kuwait City, near the seaside. Here are some guidelines that you can see from the facade and entrance of the Catholic Church. In Arabic writing and English writing, you can see also the history, where it was made from and who was behind it. And some posters are also giving some bulletin for the churchgoers. Now we will see the St. Padre Pio's Hall. As you can see, the incense are at the back door, and we will now walk to the church compound of Kuwait. Did you see that window? And that is the bookstore. And we will now walk all the way to the hall in the church compound. A great way of KUWAIT Church to help the Cathedral of Bahrain. For any donations, you can send it to the church. And for security reasons, there are some security CCTV cameras for just making everybody sure that they are secure. Parish timing from Tuesday to Sunday. Monday is office closed from morning 8:30 a.m. to 12:30 noon, evening 4:30 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. Agono.org, the parish website, and here are some hierarchy of the church information. There is also the schedule posted on the bulletin board, the marriage requirements, those who wants to marry, and also for the mass booking of the soul prayer and Thanksgiving, and also if you have any petition. Right now we are looking at the Adoration Chapel. We'll go down, we can go and intimately pray for our intentions. Overlooking is the church compound, and you can see the upcoming bazaar is soon to come by some people who affiliates with the church, Catholic Church. And now we will go back to the ground. There is the entrance door of the Catholic Church, where you can see there is also CCTV camera in front, and the name is in English and Arabic. When you come inside, you can find some angels coming and welcoming you with holy water. There is a symbol in Catholic Church. Also, this is a small entrance door that you can go inside the church. And here are the saints of the Catholic Church. Jesus Christ statue. Are you a singer? You can sing with the choir on this place where they sing with microphones and piano and guitar. Are seated on these benches, and there is a host there is a priest that will host the Mass. And when we go to the center of the church, we have to kneel and give respect. This is where you can see the altar of the Catholic Church. And on the left side, you can see the chairs where the people who was reading the first and the second reading. And we will go now to the picture of Mother Mary. Beside this area, there is a Santo Niño statue with lots of flowers that symbolizes our respect to them. And there are some window panes that you can see. It is printed with saints or Mother Mary and Jesus. And this is the overall area of the Catholic Church from the roof until the ground. On this side, these are the area where you can see the choirs area. They will play the piano and they will play the guitar. And here are some other saints of the Catholic Church again.